Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious oven-baked nachos with cheese. First, gather all your ingredients like your favorite tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and any desired toppings. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This simple preparation ensures a perfect batch every time. Now let's build those layers. Begin by spreading a single, even layer of tortilla chips across your prepared baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some cheesy goodness. Then, sprinkle about 1/2 of your shredded cheese evenly over the chips. If you're adding meat or beans, this is the perfect time to distribute them over this first layer.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. On another note, for all your recipe reading and more, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Time for the second layer. Carefully add another layer of tortilla chips over the first, creating a nice base. Now, take the remaining shredded cheese and generously distribute it over all the chips and toppings. This ensures maximum cheesiness. If you're adding vegetable toppings like sliced jalapenos or diced onions, sprinkle them on top now for a burst of flavor. Almost ready to enjoy. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent any burning. Once golden and gooey, carefully remove the nachos from the oven. Finish with fresh toppings like salsa, guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.